The wax-coated aggregate is our proprietary pathway mix that we use within the golf industry. It's a very natural solution that not only looks perfect for a golf course because it is just the natural stone, but it also gives you the benefits of a pavement.
We started testing with the product about 2 decades ago and came across this concept and really leaned into it for Erin Hills specifically. It wasn't until we started working with them where they said, you're onto something because this is bigger than Erin Hills. The industry needs this. We did just that. We followed their lead and their recommendation, and it's taken us amazing places throughout the country. It's been a really, really wonderful ride to just see how we've been able to help people, whether it's in highly erosive areas, freeze-thaw, dusty climates, heat, cold, doesn't matter. We're solving a lot of problems for different people. What we did is we took our natural stone, crushed stone screening, a very specific gradation, and blended it with a polymeric wax. The wax completely coats the aggregate and it allows it to repel water. It's like Rain-X on rocks that you never have to reapply. It installs very simply. You can self-install, you can bring a contractor in, you can lay it by hand, you can use a paving machine. So there's a lot of flexibility and adaptability for the environment as well, which also makes it a home run for golf courses, because a lot of times one of the major things they're up against is how do we do this maintenance to our paths without tearing up our turf? And this product allows you to do that.
The best thing about this stuff is the ease of installation. It's super easy, it doesn't take any time to install. I would definitely recommend it to anybody. Even if you have concrete already, I would say get rid of the concrete because this is going to be a lot easier to maintain and you don't have to redo it. You simply just add a little bit here and there and pack it back in and you're good to go. This stuff is definitely the future of cart paths for sure.
Kafka is a great partner of ours. 5 years ago, we did a trial. That material just got moved from this very spot that we're talking at here. We moved it over to the 12th hole. We're on the 18th hole right now. The product went in just as if it were new when it came to us, and it's performing very well. So the longevity of the product, I don't see any decline when we rework it.
The feedback to the paths after they've been installed has just been phenomenal. Everyone loves the look, the clean lines, the texture, the appearance, the naturalness of it. It just fits the golf course and kind of the natural environment that we're looking to balance. It's got versatility and functionality, but it also has the aesthetics, the beauty.
Our wax-coated aggregate is available in 5 standard colors. We have beige, which is used here at Eastward Ho, the autumn blend, which we saw at Erin Hills, the rustic, which we saw at Red Feather Golf Club, and lastly, we have our platinum and our twilight mixes.
A lot of times we have a lot of interest and a lot of curiosity around the product. So one of the things that we do is we offer a free trial. We provide a super sack at no charge, and it allows them to get their hands on the product, work with it, feel it, touch it, install it, but then also watch it perform over time in their environment. And that's how a lot of our courses get hooked. The future of Kafka Granite is really bright, and we are 100% leaning into this product and what it means for the golf industry. There's a lot of things that we can do with this technology. Golf is just the beginning. Throughout the country, we're solving problems for people, whether it's a dusty climate in Texas with torrential downpours, whether it's a freeze-thaw cycle in the Midwest, or whether it's the rain that you receive coming off of the ocean here at the Cape. We're going all over the country with this product and beyond, and we know that no matter where we go, we're going to be able to help create a really great natural golf course.